Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss another problem from projection of line. So this will be the problem number 5. So before this video we have already discussed 4 problems from projection of line. So if you have not watched them, then do find them from the playlist, or else I will attach those links in the description box of this video. So you can watch them from here also. So without wasting time, let us move forward and let us see what is the question is asking about. So if you see the question, so here it is a line, okay, so line AB, and length that is given 70 mm, has its end A. So A, okay, so end A is 25 mm above HP, okay, and 25 mm in front of BP, okay. So it is inclined to, okay, HP, that is given angle theta. So theta is given as 30 degree, and it is inclined to BP, and that angle it is given as 45 degree. So all the data are given here. Simply we can draw the projection. And another thing, again we need to mark the traces here, okay. So we need to mark the traces over here also. So already I have discussed how to mark the traces. So you can see that video in problem number 2, okay. So projection of line 2, I have discussed about that. So if you have not watched that video, then do watch that video before watching this. So I have discussed that concept of traces there, okay. So if I will write what are the given datas over here, so I can write tour length, it is given as 70 mm, and A, so okay, so A dash we can say above HP, so I can write as A dash. So A dash is 25 mm above HP, okay, and A is at, okay, so that is 25, okay, so in front of VP. So by using all these data, so let us try to draw the projection of line. So let us move forward. First we need to draw the that reference line. So if I'll be drawing that reference line, so that will be somewhat like this. So this this is the XY reference line. Then it is given 25 mm above HP, and in front of 25 mm in front of BP, that is again 25. So let me draw a line over here, okay, which is 25 mm from this horizontal line again, and another line over here, so which will be 25 mm below this line again. So if I will draw that, so I can draw a figure like this. Then let me draw a line, a vertical line over here. So I can get this is as 25, and this is also as 25, and at this point, so this point I can say, so this will be my A dash point, and this will be my A point. So let us draw that. So I'll be getting a figure like this. Then after this, again that theta is given, so true length angle, okay, so true length is inclined 30 degree, so I can draw that length over here. So at 30 degree, so by taking 30 degree as angle, I can draw a straight line over here. Then true length is given as 70 mm, so I can mark on 70 mm. So by taking this dimension as 70 mm, so okay, so let this is as 70, so I can mark this line, okay. Likewise in this side, okay, so again so this angle is given as 45, so this is pi, so this is theta, and this is pi, so this is given 45. So at 45 again I can draw a straight line over here. Then again I can mark here as 70 mm, so this dimension will be 70, okay. So if I'll draw that, so let us see how it can be looked, okay. So it can be looked like this. Again here I already told you that that it can be named as A dash, and it can be named as A, okay. So now what we need to do, I can extend this, okay. So I can extend this up to this, okay, up to this line, this straight line, and again I can extend this up to this straight line. And let me draw a horizontal line over here, okay, so that we can get the front view. Okay, and again let us draw another horizontal line over here so that I can get the top view. So now think we need to draw a arc over here. So by taking this is as radius and by putting our compass over here, so needle of the compass over here, and let us draw a arc from this. Okay, and again we'll do the same thing from here to here, so we can get the arc. So let us see the drawing, what the drawing may be look like. So after drawing these two straight lines, so it can be look like this. Then if we will draw the arcs, so it may intersect somewhat here and it will may intersect somewhat here. So we'll be getting our top views. Okay, so let us see. So I have drawn two circles over here so that I can get two arcs. So if we'll see here, then this circle or this arc is connected here. Okay, so and if we'll see, then sorry, okay, if we will see here, then here it is connected. Okay, so let me use the pointer over here. Okay, so this circle, this arc is connected over here and this arc is connected over here. So from here I can get our top view and front view. So directly we can connect these points. Okay, so that is A and that is A dash and this will be our B dash. Okay, likewise this point is A and this will be our B. Okay, so let us connect these two lines. So whether our projection is correct or not, that we can know. So if we'll be joining these 2 points, these 2 points must be at a straight line. So let us check that. So if we'll be checking, then we'll be getting these 2 points are present at a straight line. Okay, so now we can connect these two lines. Okay, so let us connect it. Okay, so after connection we can get these two, okay, these two lines. So this will be our top view, sorry, this will be our front view and this will be our top view. Okay, so I have erased that arcs. Okay, so because it was looking complicated. Okay, next what we need to do, we need to draw the traces over here, that is horizontal trace and the vertical trace. Then for that reason what we need to do, we need to extend that front view towards our reference line. So I can extend this line towards this, so I have to draw a line like this. Again I have to extend this top view towards the what that is our reference line, so I can extend like this also. So after extending we can get a figure like this. Okay, so then after extension point, that connection point or intersection point between our those extensions, okay, to your reference line, I can name this is as B. So and this is as B H dash. Okay, because it is the top view extension, so I am marking as dash. Okay, then I need to draw a what that is vertical line over here and another vertical line over here, and the intersection point of this vertical line and the extension of top view, so it will be giving me horizontal trace. And again the vertical line and intersection sorry extension line of the front view will give me that is vertical trace. So let us draw that, and after drawing we'll be getting this one. So at this point we'll be getting the vertical trace and at this point we'll be getting the horizontal trace. So this will be the total drawing, and if we'll be marking or naming all those points over here, so the true length or true dimension you can say, so that will be b1 dash, and the projection of that is your, okay, so this is not b1 dash, so this is will be your b2. Okay, so there is a correction, let me do it. Okay, so this is your b2. Okay, and this is your b1 dash, so it will be b1. Okay, so already we have drawn the top view and front view, and we have marked the traces over here. So this will be the front view, and this will be the top view over here, and this is the vertical trace and this is the horizontal trace. So with this we have reached at the end of lecture for today. So If you like these videos, then do press on the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed this, and press on the bell icon so that you will be getting all notification from our channel. So thank you for watching.